Do you want to know how we built our do-it-yourself backyard cabana? Welcome to day 2 of our project of backyard cabana construction with a succulent tapestry on the wall. Hi, this is Forlit Sky. Welcome to Forlit Sky Arts and Architecture, where I share my skills and knowledge in gardening, painting, and other DIY projects. If you haven't already, please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Click the like button, share this video with others, and leave a comment so we can connect. On day 2, we will put the roof structure of our cabana, and after installing, we found a big mistake. So in this video, we will share with you how we solved that issue. First, we cut the wood according to the length of our roof structure. Second, we secure the beam on the 4x4 post. Here, we use 2x6 treated woods for the beams. Third, we installed all the rafters on top of the beams and are using 2 inches by 4 inches by 10 feet long treated wood. We used a total of 6 pieces for the rafters. Fourth, however, while building the roof structure, we realized we have a problem. Every time we wiggle the post, the whole structure is wiggling. So I need to be more confident that the foundation or concrete in the plastic bucket is enough to carry the entire structure. So while we were working on it, we kept thinking about the solution. And fifth, for the solution, we added 2 sub-footing foundations on each side of the structure. This time, we will use 2 hollow blocks in each footing, insert the wooden post in the hollow blocks, and fill it with concrete. And it works and solves our problem. And that's it for today, guys. Please watch our next and future episodes until we reveal the finished project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos.